for us to just educate each other, because also I recently had someone say Zambia. It's not their fault. They don't know how it's pronounced, so they pronounce it how they would any other word in English. Yeah. Missing someone. Hello guys, how you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Girl Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today I'm here to teach you how to pronounce African country names. So we have heard the way people pronounce African country names, maybe in Miss World, Miss Universe, all these pageants that African countries participate in. And I thought it was good for us to just educate each other, because also I recently had someone say Zambia. It's not their fault. They don't know how it's pronounced, so they pronounce it how they would any other word in English. Okay, so I thought it is good for us to educate each other. And also in the comment section, guys, just let me know which country name have you heard that is pronounced not in the right way. Yeah, so you don't say Zambia, you don't drag the mbia at the end, just say Zambia. Zambia, 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 Zambia. You don't drag it, just put it there, like out there, like Zambia, 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 Zambia. If you're saying a word like Namibia, just say Namibia, 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 Namibia. If you're saying the word like Zimbabwe, just say Zimbabwe, 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 Zimbabwe. For example, in East Africa, the countries that I've mentioned right now, I'm from mentioning, they are from Southern Africa. So we have countries like Namibia, Zambia, Zimbabwe. In Southern Africa, of course, South Africa. Okay. In East Africa, we have Kenya, pronounces as Kenya. We have Uganda. We have Tanzania, or Tanzania. And then we have Rwanda. We have Burundi. We have South Sudan. We have Sudan. You see, like, you don't, I don't know how to explain it. You don't drag it out. You just put it out there like that. Djibouti. Ethiopia. Somalia. Egypt. Nigeria. Ghana. Sierra Leone. Guinea-Bissau. Senegal. See, like, you just pronounce it, put it out there. Like, it's like you're dropping something. Poo. Zambia. Kenya. Tanzania, or Tanzania. Just put it out there. Okay, so in the comment section, just let me know which country would you love to know how it's pronounced. African countries. We have said Zambia, Zimbabwe, Namibia, South Africa. We've said Guinea-Bissau, Nigeria, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Ghana. We have said Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan. We have said Ethiopia, Djibouti. We have also Libya, Liberia, Congo, We have other countries. So just in the comment section, just let me know which country name is pronounced funnily. You hear people pronounce and you're like, wait, it's not that. If it's your country name and it's pronounced in a weird way, just let me know in the comment section. Just let me know in the comment section, and then we can teach each other how to pronounce these country names. And just something small, I know our African names can be hard to pronounce, guys. I know it can be hard to pronounce sometimes, but at least just if you learn one thing, just learn how to pronounce our country names. Just get that right. We would really, really appreciate if you just get our country names right. Okay? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye-bye.
Falling ill, rather falling